Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Swarupa Deshpande from Advocate Bapusaheb Bhonde High School welcomes you to our English 2 class, that is grammar. Today, we are going to learn a new composition.
But before that, we will revise what all compositions we have learned till now. So, are you ready? Very nice.
In our first composition, we learned was about myself. Who are you? What is your name? How old are you? Or in which class are you? What is your school name? What is your mother tongue? Etc. In the second composition, you learned about classroom, in which you wrote about what all things you see in your classroom, how you keep your classroom, and also what you do in the classroom. After that, we learned about your teacher and your mother. Now, you all know how to form the sentence and write 5 to 6 lines on a topic. Today, we are going to learn about seasons. Do you know what are seasons? Yes, I know you have learned it in EVS. There are 3 seasons in a year. What are they? Yes, you are absolutely right. They are summer, winter, and rainy. The picture is of
Summer season. How do you feel in summer season? Yes, you feel hot, hot, hot during this season. Do you know the summer season is from February to May? Yes, it is hot during the summer season, so we use fan, AC to keep ourselves cool. We also use cap, hat or umbrella to protect ourselves from sun. Many of us like to eat cold things like ice cream, cold drinks, etc. School have holidays during this season. We wear cotton clothes during this season.
Now look at these pictures. These pictures are of rainy season.
The rainy season is from June to September. We use an umbrella or raincoat during this season to protect ourselves from rain. What you all like to eat? Yes, we like to eat and drink hot things during this season. We can see all natural sceneries like waterfall, rainbow, fog during this season. We can also see puddles and many creatures during this season. We receive plenty of water during this season. This season is best for cultivation of crops. Children like to sail their boats in puddles. Children enjoy the rainy season very much. Now look at these pictures. They are of winter season. The winter season is from October to January. How do you feel during this season? Yes, we feel very cold during this season. We wear warm and woolen clothes during this season. We also like to eat and drink hot things during this season. Many healthy fruits and vegetables are available during this season. You all will write it down neatly in your grammar textbook.
Let's revise one more time. There are 3 seasons in a year. The summer season is from February to May. It is hot during the summer season. The rainy season is from June to September. We use an umbrella or a raincoat during this season. The winter season is from October to January. We feel cold during this season. I hope you all have understood the seasons very well till now.
Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our class channel. Till then, bye bye all of you.